Question number 1. Chantel is asking, how to select the shipping vendor? Selecting a shipping vendor depends on 6 factors. The first one is the cost. The second one, the speed at which the package needs to be delivered. The third one is the level of tracking and insurance required. The fourth, the size and weight of the package. The fifth is the destination of the package. And the sixth is whether you want to combine fulfillment with shipment or keep them separate. For most product categories, the cost is the leading factor in determining who your supplier will be, who your vendor will be. You want to keep your shipping costs as low as possible. Your shipping budget basically dictates everything else. To meet your shipping budget, you may accept slower delivery, you may accept lower level of insurance, and you will change your packaging in order to minimize your shipment costs most of the time. One thing has to be given at all times when you are selecting a shipping vendor. Your shipping vendor should be reliable. This is extremely important. An unreliable shipping partner can be cost effective, so you will pay less for shipment, but your cost will exponentially go up in customer service, in damaged product, in opportunity costs, because clients will not buy your products in the future. This is why you would love to have a reliable shipping vendor. So here are the steps for you to follow to select the shipping vendor. 1. Determine your shipping needs, the size and weight of the package, the destination, the delivery time, the level of tracking and insurance required, and level of fulfillment required. Also, your budget. 2. Research available shipping vendors. When you're researching available shipping vendors, please do not focus on the classic shipping vendors only, on the old ones in the market. Look at the new ones, or those who are in the market probably for the last 10 years, 15 years. So there will be a lot of names that you will not know, but these will be the companies who are way much more effective in the shipment and provide better rates than those classic vendors we are thinking of when we're thinking about shipping. The third one would be to compare their shipping rates, delivery times, and services offered. The fourth one would be to consider the reputation of these vendors, including their reliability, customer service, and handling of packages, meaning how damaged or not packages arrive at your clients. You evaluate their costs, and you arrange meetings to negotiate. You always arrange meetings to negotiate. After you have a short list of those vendors that you consider to be your vendors, you have personal face-to-face meetings to them or phone meetings to them, and you explain your budgets to the company. Most of the time, those who ask get their budgets met. And as point number 7, you make a decision. So based on all these factors, you choose your shipping vendor.